I'm going to work this problem two different ways. First, let's just do FOIL. 12a minus 5 times 12a minus 5. So you distribute the 12a. 12a times 12a is 144a squared. That was 12a times 12a. And then 12a times 12a times minus 5 is negative 60a. Now distribute the negative 5. Negative 5 times 12a is negative 60a, and negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. So that's going to give you 144a squared minus 120a plus 25. Now, if you use the special product rule, what the rule says is square the first term. That would be 144a squared. Copy down that sign, minus, and then it's going to always be a factor of 2 times whatever's in the first term times whatever's in the second term. And you don't have to worry about the sign because you've already taken care of the sign there. So the first term is 12a, and the last term is 5. And then the last term is always positive, and you square whatever's here, and it'll give you 25. So let's simplify. 144a squared minus 2 times 12 is 24 times 5 is 60, a plus 20. 24 times 5. 24 times 5 and 4 is 20, 10, 120. So fix that, not 60. I'm not sure where I got that. 120a. So you get the same thing both ways.